Japanese encephalitis, or GE, is a serious disease that poses a significant health risk. It affects both humans and animals, making it a zoonotic disease. This disease is caused by a virus known as the Japanese Encephalitis virus, or JV. The virus travels through mosquito bites, specifically from the Culex species. Animals like pigs and birds can carry the virus, acting as reservoirs. The virus can cause swelling in the brain, known as encephalitis, and this swelling can be deadly if not treated promptly. JE is a problem in many parts of the world, particularly in rural and agricultural areas. It is especially common in Asia, including countries like India, China, and Japan. Farmers are impacted by JE. Their animals can get sick and die, which can cause financial problems. Understanding JE is important for both health and economic reasons. We need to know how it spreads to effectively control and prevent outbreaks. We also need to know how to protect ourselves and our animals through measures like vaccination and mosquito control. This essay will explore JE in more detail, covering its causes, effects, and prevention strategies. Japanese encephalitis virus, or JV, is the causative agent of Japanese encephalitis, a serious disease that affects the brain. This virus belongs to the flavivirus family, which includes several other significant viruses. Other well-known flaviviruses are Zika and dengue, both of which have caused major outbreaks in various parts of the world. JEV is primarily transmitted by mosquitoes, with the Culex mosquito being the main vector responsible for spreading the virus. These mosquitoes breed in standing water such as rice paddies, marshes, and other stagnant water bodies, which are common in rural areas. The transmission cycle begins when a mosquito bites an infected animal, such as a pig or a bird, and ingests the virus. The mosquito then becomes a carrier of the virus and can transmit it to other animals or humans through subsequent bites. Pigs and birds play a crucial role as amplifying hosts. This means that the virus multiplies rapidly inside them, increasing the likelihood of transmission. Humans and horses, on the other hand, are considered dead-end hosts. This is because the virus does not multiply to high levels in their bodies. While they can become seriously ill, they do not usually contribute to the spread of the virus, as it does not reach sufficient levels in their blood to infect new mosquitoes. JV enters the bloodstream through a mosquito bite. It then travels throughout the body. The virus can cross the blood-brain barrier, which protects the brain. Once inside the brain, JEV causes inflammation. This inflammation is called encephalitis. Encephalitis is dangerous as it disrupts normal brain function. This disruption leads to the symptoms of JE. The severity of the disease varies. Some animals show no signs, while others experience severe neurological problems. Section 4. Recognizing the symptoms and diagnosing JE. Symptoms of Japanese encephalitis, or JE, vary among animals. Pigs often experience reproductive issues, including abortions and stillbirths. Horses, on the other hand, may exhibit neurological signs, such as fever, incoordination, and seizures. Birds may also show neurological symptoms. Diagnosis of JE requires laboratory tests that detect the virus or antibodies. Antibodies are proteins that fight infection. Blood samples are usually taken for testing. Section 5. Treatment, prevention, and control of Japanese encephalitis. This section will cover the essential strategies and methods used to manage this disease effectively. There is no specific treatment for JE in animals. This means that once an animal is infected, the focus shifts to managing the symptoms and providing supportive care. Treatment focuses on supportive care, which includes providing fluids and managing symptoms. This supportive care is crucial to help the animal recover and maintain its strength during the illness. Prevention is crucial in controlling JE. By taking preventive measures, we can significantly reduce the incidence of this disease in livestock populations. Vaccination is an effective preventive measure, and vaccines are available for pigs and horses. Regular vaccination programs can help build immunity in these animals, protecting them from the virus. Mosquito control is also important, including eliminating breeding sites and using insecticides. By reducing the mosquito population, we can lower the risk of JE transmission. Personal protection measures, such as using mosquito nets and repellents, can reduce the risk of bites. These measures are essential for both animals and humans living in affected areas. Monitoring JE cases is crucial as it helps track the spread of the disease and implement control measures effectively. Regular monitoring allows for timely interventions and better management of outbreaks. Public education is vital. People need to be aware of JE and how to prevent it. Educating communities about the risks and preventive measures can lead to better cooperation and more effective control of the disease.